They
Ice
are getting
cream,
you sick
the
to make money.
return. Now I'm going to go and ruin ice cream for you even more. And why? Well, because I can. I've already shown you that there are beaver butt glands that make your vanilla ice cream taste so good. But what could be worse than that? Well, how about having literal antifreeze in the product itself? It's not a joke or a play on cream makers, meaning those that don't do the homemade kind, called propylene glycol. And this is indeed antifreeze. You know, that's that green stuff in your car that keeps it from being frozen in the wintertime, but then explodes everywhere once it overheats. Well, obviously, this raises the question of what the heck is it doing in the ice cream? Well, not unlike cars, it's helping to prevent it from being frozen solid. You can think about it like this. The difference between big brand ice cream and homemade ice cream is that when you're ready to scoop it out, the store brand is ready to go instantly. While the homemade, it kinda needs a little bit of time to de-thaw and soften up. The makers put this stuff in there so that it doesn't stay frozen solid and even prevents ice crystals from forming on it in places. So why haven't you heard about it before? Well, that's because since it's an industry standard, they're not exactly required to put it on the label.